Hey guys, so today is Monday, October 12th, 2009. It's Columbus Day here in the U.S. and Thanksgiving Day for all you Canadians. So I decided to do another cold start. This time I decided not to do a cold start on all the lawn equipment. I decided to pull out the two-stroke equipment here. So we got the Lawnboy 8461, the Echo SRM 2400 SB, and the Echo PB251. It's all the two-stroke equipment we have. And they both use different fuel mix ratios. Both the Echo equipment require a 50:1 gas-oil mix ratio. The Lawnboy here requires a 32:1 gas-oil mix. And it's about 61 degrees out. Both of these equipment have not been started, I think, since last Tuesday. We'll start with the Lawnboy and end with the blower. Keep the camera down. Gas on. Okay, she's on. Put her on choke. Kind of wait a little bit, let the gas get into the carb. Alright, let's see what she does. Cool. Not too bad. 2 pulls. I just love how good this Lawnboy runs. Just gotta love these two-stroke Lawnboys. Okay, now for the Echo equipment. Okay. Put the camera down. Turn her on, choke, 5 primes. Clutch on it. Alright, took a little bit more volt than I thought. And finally, let's try the PB251. This thing's usually been starting in 2 pulls. Sometimes it starts in 3. Let's see if it'll go for 2. So we'll turn her on, put on choke, give her 5 primes. And set the camera down again. Let's see what it does. Alright, so there you have it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.